just Sunday ladies Truckn coming at ya. I'm bombarding them real quick. This is Ronnie, Truckn fam.
How y'all doing?
We out here in Buffalo, Texas, and here we are, Truckn fam.
Yep. Just
He found me.
rolling chrome and running into her, and I was like, holy cow, that's her.
Super good. I've totally just like, this morning he caught me in a moment.
Yeah. Woke her up. I woke her up.
Standing here waiting for showers. You know, Truckn Camaraderie Unity. I love when I see people and I get to meet people. Like, thank you for your support in my
Yes,
journey.
ma'am. Yes,
That's
ma'am.
how we're here.
Yes, ma'am.
Doesn't help I have my jacket on with my big ass name on the back.
Yeah.
right?
There we go.
Super good. Tell us about what you do. You know, I love hearing your story. You
All
already
right.
know mine.
We're out of Lemming, Texas. Circle Bar A Incorporated. We do tanker.
Y'all. I love the y'all. We got the y'all here, okay?
Yeah, we do agriculture, fertilizer, feed, molasses, urea. Right now during the season, it's
Do y'all know what urea is?
it's what they put in.
It's pee-pee.
Yeah, it's what they put in DEF fluid.
DEF fluid.
Yeah,
Okay.
all our trucks are not EPA compliant.
Ooh, he's
But
doing it.
we all roll big horsepower, 500 plus. We do, right now the season's in for hunting, so we're doing feed, molasses, and when the season is over for hunting,
They don't
we'll
move like
pick up-
molasses, okay? He
Yeah.
told me.
Yeah, we'll pick up with fertilizer for all the farmers, and then we roll up to Massachusetts and do the
What part?
northern Massachusetts. Man, I can't.
We come out of Amesbury, Tewksbury, up that area.
If you would
Okay.
ask me this before you put me on camera, I would have been ready for it.
It's better surprising.
Yeah, we get the fish oil. We call it phase 2. It's fish oil with molasses, which is all organic, and we're big sellers in that. We are partnered in that, and that's part of our money maker on the side. And look us up, Circle Bar A.
He's a Peterbilt guy. Okay.
I'm Peter.
Okay.
Yep.
So I made sure he knows I drive Fiona B. Freightliner out there. Okay. I showed him
Yeah.
the video. I said, super cool guy. Okay. Extremely personable. And thank you for saying hello.
Yes,
I do
ma'am.
appreciate
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Kind of woke me right up staring at the number on my shower that's passing
Yes,
by.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And
Ronnie.
Thank you for being sociable and not being a typical celebrity.
Oh, I'm a Truckn. We're Truckn fam. I'm not a celebrity. I'm just like all of it. I'm a human being.
Yes,
I'm a
ma'am.
human being. Everything the same. So I'm grateful. Don't ever hesitate to say hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at our morning outfits. We're
Yep,
we're
this
both
is-
on the way to
We're
get
doing
ready.
laundry today. Today's Sunday. I don't have to load till 5 a.m. and I'm gonna polish on my rims and do my laundry. So
It's what it
There
is.
we
Keep
go.
it real. Keep
Yes.
it real. There's no better thing than keeping it real out here. Okay?
Yep.
Thank you for your time. I appreciate you. It's just Sunday Lady Truckn and Ronnie coming at ya.